Hi, my name is Kevin Hegarty. I'm the sales director for CLIIN Robotics. I'm here at the booth of our partner Amfico at Chem Expo in India. Um, Having a fantastic time, meeting a lot of really interesting customers here. And it's our first time in India looking at this exhibition, but it certainly won't be our last. We sell a robot that is there for cleaning bulk tanks, and it's garnering particular interest from bulk chemical producers, tank storage facilities, etc. So this is really the customers we're interacting with this week. So our robots are capable as a robotic cleaner to clean tanks, reduce manpower, reduce the use of scaffolding, and reduce water usage and chemical usage when cleaning tanks. So we have an enormous number of tank farms in India and tank facilities for R&D production, oil production, chemical production, etc., where our solution can be really applied. We see an enormous growing chemical industry. I think we see increasing emphasis on regulation, health and safety, water use, and how to do things more efficiently and improve tank turnaround from all the industries. The buzzword this week has really been about efficiency from all the manufacturers we've talked to, and we can really contribute in helping them turn around assets faster to get more value out of their assets that they have on their sites. I'd like to say a big thank you for Amfico for inviting us. They've been a wonderful partner for us and really helping us this week visit and meet a lot of key players in the Indian market. Thank you again.